Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix your iPhone if you can't turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So let's get started. So the first method is airplane mode reset. So to do it, you have to open control center, swipe down from the top right button or top right corner and tap onto airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. You can also do this in settings. Just go to settings and then tap onto airplane mode. It is basically at the top, so you can find this option easily. Then you have to go to the next step. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. So you have to turn on VPN. So if you have installed any kind of VPN from App Store, just turn them off or go to settings and tap onto general and search for VPN and device management. Here you can see the option, just tap onto it, and if there's any VPN connected, just toggle them off. Then the third step is you can force restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to quickly press the volume up and down button, then hold the side button quickly until the screen goes completely black. Just slide to power off, and that's it. It won't delete any of your data, it will just refresh the network. So that's it. And if you are still facing the problem, so you have to reset network settings from your iPhone. So tap on the general, then go to the bottom and tap on to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on to reset, and you have to tap on the blue text at the second. So you just have to tap on reset network settings and it will reset it, and that's it. It will ask for your face code or password. If prompted, just enter them, and that's it. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.